Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here. Today just going to show you today's install, which is on a Range Rover Evoque. Now this is one of our CarPlay boxes on Android Auto MMI boxes, which link into the existing screen. So there's no need to change over the screen itself or the radio. It works fully in conjunction with the car. So as you can see, this is the CarPlay setup already. So you can go back to obviously the original system. Now these systems are for Bosch cars only, they're not for the Harman Kardon system, so just bear that in mind. So if you want to go back into the CarPlay here, then obviously as you can see, all the applications are here. It's all fully touch screen. As you can see, it brings all the applications from your phone, and it looks well smart. Also, you can go back to the home page, which is here. So this is where you would actually be able to find more applications on this system, which this is for your Android Auto here, that's for your Apple. It's got screen mirror and USB. So I'll just go back into there. That's CarPlay, 1 second. So as you can see there, go back into the CarPlay and that sets up. So I'll just keep it short today, guys, because obviously the customer needs to get off there. But if you got any questions, just drop us a message or get in touch with us on the contact details. But thanks a lot, bye.